Alright, what's good YouTube? I'm back with another video. I ain't got no haircut in a while, so don't be on here judging me, cause I'll get on that. But yeah, I'm back with another video. Unboxing something today. I'm on the couch. You already know I always unbox on the couch. What we got here today is shears. I feel like a lot of barbers don't really review many shears like that, so I decided to review some shears. I have a rep over at Hanzo. We have a program where we pay like, I think it's like $10 a month, and they come and sharpen our shears a couple times a year. They come check our shears and all that, and we send them in and they let us borrow a pair of shears while ours are getting sharpened. And then when they come back, we give back their shears. I decided to get a pair of Hanzo shears. Now, I've never done an unboxing on shears. I've never even seen an unboxing on shears. This is gonna be a little different from what I'm used to, probably what a lot of y'all are used to. All right, so you see the packaging. As usual, I ain't gonna show you this. Just got all my information on it. This is the HH8 6.5 inch. You know, it comes plastic wrapped. It says return and exchanges require prior authorization, so you gotta call a number to return or exchange them. It's got the mailing address, lifetime warranty. It has all their contact information on there. Their logo, of course. All right. This is my very first time unboxing some shears. I have tried these already. I do like them. It was a pair that I borrowed while my shark fins were getting sharpened. I use shark fins right now, but when I get them sharpened, they hooked me up with a pair of Hanzo shears. So as you can see, when you take the little sleeve off, this feel like real leather. Not that fake stuff, you know, so we're gonna take this out. It has a card about proper tension and how to test for proper tension. Oh, here it is. So the program me and Jose have is $13 a month. It gets you 4 sharpenings for any combination of shears, so it doesn't have to be a Hanzo shear. You can get them sharpened, you send them out, or if you have a rep, your rep will come pick them up and send them out, and they'll give you a pair of shears to use while yours are getting sharpened. You also get exclusive access to cutting, education, and special events. If your shears are lost, stolen, or damaged, they'll replace them, and you get $100 towards your next pair of shears that you purchase with Hanzo. It has a link here and everything. By the way, I'm not paid for this video. I'm honestly doing this just for educational purposes, for the experience, to let you guys know what my experience is with Hanzo and things like that. So you unbutton that joint, it's a button there. It has a card right here. And then this is a little tool to help you tighten or loosen your shears. Now on the inside, it has a mat for your shears. You got oil here, and you got the shears. Now these, I really like these shears. They're very sharp, so try not to cut yourself, but you get the finger grips, the H right there, of course. If you've never seen Hanzo shears, they all have the H right here. They're really sharp shears, really nice shears. I actually like them a lot. With some shears, they could have your wrist hurting, but these shears, I don't really have an issue with them at all. I mean, I'm so used to shark fins, but when I tried them, they were sharp. They were very sharp, and they seem to be pretty durable. I know if I ever needed them sharpened, I just call my rep, and they come through and pick them up, and they'll leave me a pair to try. Let's say I already bought these, they'll still leave me another pair to try. They sharpen texturizing shears or thinning shears as well, and they don't have to be the Hanzo brand, but they will leave you with a pair of Hanzo shears for you to try out. Now, I wanna say these are about, I believe they're a little over 600, but they have payment plans. They have a couple different options, so I would definitely get with a rep or call the number if you're interested in owning a pair of these. Every pair is different. The price point is all different. What you would pay per month is always gonna be different, just based on the price of the shears. They have shorter shears, they have longer shears. These are 6-inch shears. That's what I've been using with the shark fins. I'll most likely get another pair of thinning shears, texturizing shears as well eventually, but this is my first pair. The more I get familiar with these and other shears that they offer, you know, the more I'll be invested in it. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, let me know what y'all want to see next. If you have a pair of Hanzo shears or other shears, leave them in the comments and let me know what y'all working with and what y'all like and what you guys think about these shears and other shears. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. it.